What's up, everybody? Welcome to the 10 Influence. We are talking all things tie-dye. Today, we're going to be talking about what types of dye to use to get the best results for your tie-dye. Before we continue, hit the subscribe button. I got all sorts of tutorials coming your way, so you can either try your first tie-dye or even start a business doing tie-dye if you want, like me. See, check this out. This Nike hoodie, boom. I use two different types of dyes. There's a bunch of different dyes out there, but I have found these two are the best. I've been doing tie-dye for about 5 years now, and these are my favorites. First one, we're gonna go with the one that you can find the easiest. So RIT dye comes in these little bottles. They are a liquid dye that you can find at Target, Walmart, any craft store. So if you just have the itch to do some tie-dye today, you could go get this in store in your city today. These are super easy to use. They're very concentrated dye, and what you usually do to get them going is you just mix them up, and then you put in with hot water, because the hot water actually helps the color and the dye set better in the fabric. Put it in one of these squeeze bottles. You can get your own, whatever kind you want to use. This is a medical grade one, so it doesn't leak, and these are the ones I like. So mix it up in here, you just put this on the fabric, super easy, and that's how I made products like these socks. So this is with the liquid dye. So if you're looking to do something like this, super easy, kid's birthday party, or just want to try it for the first time and mess around, those are the dyes. They're not super expensive, easy to find, all different colors. The next one is a powder dye. These are more of a reactive dye. So what that means is it reacts with the fibers in your clothes, which means that the colors turn out really beautiful and really bright. They are called Dharma dyes. You can get them on dharmatrading.com. That's the only place you can get them. You can't get them in a local store, unfortunately, but they come pretty quick in the mail. They have big sizes like this. They have even bigger ones than this, and then the small ones like this. These powder dyes, what these are good for is stuff like this. It's heavy. And this one behind me, this powder dye is best for ice dyeing. So if you're ice dyeing anything or you want to try ice dye, get a powder dye, because that will make this pattern that you see. If you use liquid, it's going to turn out a lot different. The powder is what gives it that beautiful, organic, melty look, you know? Here's some socks I did with the powder dye. So you can do it on all different types of clothing. These are the two. Hit me up in the comments if you have any questions. Also, leave a comment if you want me to do any new tutorials or any other questions you have about tie-dyeing that I can answer for you. Go get you some. See ya.